Ever wish you could learn how to actually use AI without needing a computer science degree? Let me put you on something that's free, official, and honestly kind of life changing. It's called OpenAI Academy. It's like a crash course in becoming AI smart. OpenAI is a brand new learning platform from the same people who created ChatGPT. It's built to teach anyone, yes, even busy parents, creators, and total beginners, how to actually understand and use AI in real life. The courses are short, super clear, and designed to give you real world skills, not just theory. They break down stuff like what AI actually is, how ChatGPT works behind the scenes, and how you can use it in your own life for writing, learning, creating, planning, parenting. Honestly, it's perfect if you've ever opened ChatGPT and thought, okay, what do I even ask it? These lessons help you go from confused to confident fast. If you're a parent trying to save time, creator trying to generate ideas faster, business owner wanting to boost productivity, or just curious about AI and how it's changing the world, then OpenAI Academy was literally made for you. You don't need to sign up for anything fancy or pay a dime. Just go to academy.openai.com and you'll see everything from beginner courses to deep dives on GPTs, safety, and more. They even show you how to build your own custom GPT. Yep, like your own personal AI assistant. So if you're curious about AI but didn't know where to start, start here. OpenAI Academy is free, beginner friendly, and will make you feel way more powerful with AI tools like ChatGPT. I'll drop the link below. Check it out and let me know what you learn. And if you want me to walk through a lesson with you, subscribe. I got you. Thanks for listening.